Hey guys, it's Wes back here with another video. I am doing another DIY. By the looks of the title, I am doing a Road Warriors, I guess you can call it a neck collar, a studded spike collar. Um, that'd be something cool. I was watching that Dark Side of the Ring about the Road Warriors and stuff, and they were talking how they made their spike pads and stuff, and basically how they interpreted from uh, what's that movie by Mel Gibson, I think, Mad Max or something. Um, but basically, yeah, I thought it'd be cool to get like this collar here and put some studs on it and other stuff and have a Road Warrior animal autograph it one day. I think it'd be pretty cool. Um, but anyway, let's get into it here. So the items you'll need is a dog collar. Yes, this is a dog collar. Um, was looking online, went to a couple stores, couldn't find a really big enough like choker. That's what they would call these. Just couldn't find a really huge one, or at least thickness wise. So actually went online and actually went on eBay, and I guy had a bunch of dog collars on there, and this was the one I bought. It was only let's say $13. These are really expensive. I actually went to PetSmart in my local area, and they were charging around 17 bucks. So I thought that was a lot. So $5 more off, I got it online. So I got that. Got these studs here. Went ahead and bought it from the same guy that I did my demolition mask. Um, it was a 20 pack, I believe. I don't think I'm gonna use all 20, but we'll see. Yeah, because I'm gonna leave some room. If he's gonna autograph it, I'm gonna just stud, the spike straight up till here, and he'll have him autograph it there. Will probably be my plan. And then I got these from actually Dollar General. I actually wasn't gonna do this, but was uh was looking more on Google, and they had like a almost like studs like wrapped all the way around on each side, top and bottom. So actually went to Dollar General, and they had a pack of these for like, it was only $1. They are like sparkly, as in like crystal clear sparkly. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I did paint these the best I could. They were kind of really hard to paint because they're, really thin, and you need like a flat surface. But yeah, I just painted them like gray or something, close as I can. I didn't have a silver. But yeah, as you can see, like some of the paint didn't get on there, so like this one right here, I probably won't use. See how it's still sparkling there? That one's kind of like half painted, that as well. But I'll just probably just put towards those in the back, or I don't think I'm gonna use all of these. So, but yeah, those are basically gonna go top, bottom, all the way around. And of course, you'll need is super glue. Hopefully, super glue will work again. I'm thinking it should for these. It worked for the mask. So, oh yeah, these are just like tape, 3M tape or whatever. And you can actually cut these any size you want to, which is pretty cool. But yeah, so basically my concept is, like I said, put the studs here. It's all the way around. Right now I got this in the third hole. What I'm gonna do is for the spikes, just gonna, about 1 inch away from each other. And then, like I said, I was gonna leave room for the autograph here in the front. So probably, I don't know if I'll stop probably right here maybe. That sounds probably right. So anyways, probably what I'm gonna do first here is I think I'll go ahead and do the I guess you call them studs, I guess, and throw those around it here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll be back. Alright guys, so I finished with the stud part here. It came out pretty good. You know, it's not too bad, but like I said, I did it all the way around. This part was kind of hard here because how it bends, but it's sticking on there pretty decently. So here's the front here. There's that. So came out pretty good. Yeah, so it was pretty tedious because excuse me, it had some like that 3M tape. You had to peel it off, and I mean, if you don't have any nails or anything, it's kind of hard to do. So if you can get somebody with like nails, it'll probably be a lot easier. So basically my next step is, which is gonna be my final step, I'm gonna take these studs, basically gonna place them right in the middle here, all the way around, probably stop halfway here. I'm gonna try to keep them even on each side, but probably won't happen. I'm not sure yet. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna use this super glue here. Hopefully it works. And yeah, I'll be back, guys, and you'll see the final product. Alright, so here is the finished product. Actually, I used almost all of it. I said there was a 20 pack, and actually used all 19 of them. So pretty simple. Just try to glue it best I could right down the middle there, about an inch apart. Here's the other side. Again, pretty tedious project, but I like the way it turned out. And then here is the back there. And then as you can see, you got that little space right here. I'm just gonna have them autograph it there, maybe in like a red or something, I'm not sure, but I think he'll like it. But yeah, it came out pretty good. Like I said, I like it. Let me see, took about almost 30 seconds to put on each one. I just kind of same with like the demolition mask, I just pushed it down and counted up to 30 there and let it sit for a bit. So but yeah, it looks good. You can see I'm shaking and nothing's coming off, so it's definitely on there pretty good. But yeah guys, that's about it for this video. Pretty simple video. I think I will, I'm not sure if my item's coming in yet for the next DIY. I really just have one more. But yeah, if that doesn't come in, then I might not have a DIY next Wednesday. So if anything, keep looking for Sunday for my reviews. Let's see, I think I just did the what was it, the I'm sorry, Daniela Harris mask, I believe. And then yeah, so then up next would be my Pee Wee Herman mirror I got signed last year. I think you guys will like that one. And that's really it, guys. So anyways, appreciate all the views and all the comments and all the likes. Yeah, go ahead and enjoy the slideshow here, and you guys take care. Thank you.